Hi guys, good day all. My name is Shaflina Rosa and today I'm the presenter. Please ask me question about topic 14. You first?
Okay, so I would like to ask why image or pictures and newspaper are important according to the Google Express.
Because image in newspaper is important because in newspaper the first thing that we like to see is about the pictures like what is happening, like what is the news about today. So the picture have the big roles to, res, to represent what is happening in that situation. So by the pictures we can know what's happening.
Can you please explain more the limitation of MDA?
What?
Limitation.
The limitation of the MDA. So the first thing is subjective because everyone has their own opinion and has their own perspective, right? So by the MDA it's just focused on one person perspective. So it's limitation for us to um, we have different opinion, right? So it's about the one perspective. So and just takes and it takes much time to analyze about the one thing. So yeah, it's so subjective.
My question is, do you think context is important when we do analysis in MDA?
Context, I think it's very important because without context we don't know what we want to talk. So we don't know. So without context, so there's nothing to talk, right? So context is important.
I want to ask what's the purpose of the MBA? Why do we learn MBA? The
But
purpose of MBA.
the purpose. So the purpose is about we can know um, a text create meaning not just by language, but it shapes by another component like music, pictures, image, and sounds, and also camera angles like that. So it's so very important. So we can by learning this we can know the sounds meaning the sounds refers to this, and the sound is make us feel sad or another something like that.
So my question is, how to do MDA?
How to do MDA? The first thing, of course, we have to collect the data, and then we have to write down the context about the data that we already collect, and then we have to give the underline of the context. Oh, this is important, and this is no, and something like that. So, and then we can analyze the choosing ones, the one thing that we choose. So yeah, collect the data and then we write the context and then we analyze it.
So could you explain about what is the MDA itself?
MDA is about how text using multi itself it stands for many things, right? So multimodal is how text use many components to create a meaning, not just by language. So like I said before, we can use sounds, image, pictures, and camera angle to create a meaning. So it's just 3 minutes. Yes, but we have 6 minutes.
What is MDA according to the genres?
I'm sorry, but I don't pay attention about that.
The genres of MDA, right?
Oh, the genres of the
Yeah.
the, gen- um the genres of the MDA like advertisements, newspaper, and then different genre using different multimodal. So like for example, um, in magazines, magazines, using big pictures and also the headline and the use using colorful to attract people to read the magazines, and then while ATM using instructions and then um, also pictures to guide people how to do this and how to send money and something like that. So, okay. It's 5 minutes already.
There are two types of newspaper, newspaper and
Online news. Am I wrong? Am I right? Newspaper.
online news.
Online news, yes. The difference between that, I think it's kind of similar with magazine. Like in newspaper, we 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 see the big picture on the covers and then the headlines. So what is happening about it, but the picture itself it's representative about what is happening in the situations. While in online news, we put we also put the pictures, but we also put short sentences about what is happening and where it is and okay.
Where does he affected by the flood?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Does he come? Where does he come from?
I
No.
forgot. But I believe it's not affected by the floods because it's localized in the area where the flood is affected.
So he's one. Yeah. Hania. Sorry. Nashua, Latina, Aisyah, Kania, Idris, Hayati,
Yes, sir.
Husna, Ayu,
Yes, sir.
Liza, and Putra, Kairina, Amira, terima kasih Tito, Raisa, Linda, Karim, Ramadini, Warisatu Husna, Fazila, Naura, Gandhi, Intan, Matifikia, Audrey, Salwa. Okay, presenter, let's rotate.
Thank you guys. Hi.
Okay, you done? Yeah. Presenter? Go.
Hi guys, good day. My name is Shaflida Roza and today I'm the presenter. Please ask me question about topic 14. You first. Multimodal is about how text using many types. Multi itself stands for the several things, right? So it's not just about the language create the meaning, but also another components. For example, sound, image, pictures, camera angles, and so on.
Let me ask you a question. Do you have any example of issues that appeared in the multimodal and mainstream
Issue.
that happens in Indonesia?
Um, s- Example. So probably the floods. Like what is so the example. For example, in newspaper, probably, correct me if I'm wrong, but in newspaper we use big pictures to for the representative what is happening in the situation. So by looking the pictures, we know there is a flood on there or there is it, and then in newspaper there is a headlines about the yes. So the big pictures and then the headlines. Okay.
Can you explain multimodality in film animation?
Actually films using many modes to tell the stories. For example, we using sounds. Maybe we can put the sad song to represent the feeling of the actor, and then they also using the camera angles, and then um, yeah, I think the sounds, camera angles, and also the probably the pictures. So I think that's all. Sorry.
Could you explain steps on how to do multimodal storytelling?
How to how to do. The first thing is, of course, we have to collect the data, and then we have to write the context of the data, and then we can the underlines this is important and this is not like that, and then after that we can analyze the data, but it takes so much time. So the first thing we have to collect the data, and then we write the context, and then we choose the important things and not, and then we have to analyze it. In genre. So different genre using different multimodality. For example, in magazines, use in the cover use the colorful and then the big pictures, so to attract people to read the magazines, and then while in ATM using instructions and also the pictures to guide people probably to send the money or to save the money and something like that.
Could you explain about the limitation of
The limitations, like I said before, it takes so much times, and then it just focus in one perspective. Everyone have their own perspective, right? So we cannot focus on that one's idea. So in MDA, it just focus on one perspective. So yeah, it's not really accurate, but and also it takes so much time. So yes, I think that's all. Okay.
Of course, as a third model, which is an immediate. And then you have the heading, the title, then you have text, stating what is the model wearing, purpose, the background. So you use images, and then written word. That's the relationship between the background and the image. So, when you're analyzing text, in order to add deeper knowledge about text, in order to understand their words, you need to also understand many other relationship with them.
Maybe you can ask something.
Because images is also meant to communicate what was really what was the word saying, or even gesture, what my gesture is saying now. So, in order to have a deeper
Um, so, so in topic 14 we have multimodality discourse analysis. Um, and this is about how text using several okay.
Okay, presenter, take this.
Thank you guys. Hello everyone.
Okay, ready? Presenter, go.
Hi guys, my name is Shaflinda Rosa and today I am the presenter. So please ask me questions about topic 14. You first.
What's your understanding about multimodality?
So multimodality, the multi itself, it stands for many things. So it's about how text using not just language to create meaning, but also about we can also use sounds, pictures, image, and also camera angle, and probably the gestures to create the meaning.
Could you give me the real example of how we use this modal analysis?
Probably we can use it on newspapers, like what. I can take the plots about. So in newspaper, we use the big pictures to representative about what is happening in the situation. So when we look at the pictures, we know what is happening. So and then the newspaper using the headlines to probably to to tell people this is happening in this like this.
Why do we need to learn and understand about the multimodal?
By understanding these materials, we can understand to create meaning not just using language, but also we can use sounds, images, gestures, and also the camera angles to create the meaning. So another things has their own meaning. So it's matters.
Could you explain about how to do the multimodal discourse analysis?
What? How to do? The first thing we have to collect the data, and then we have to write the context. then probably in the context we can choosing this is important and then this is not, and then we do the analyzing about the data that we already collect, and but it takes so much time. So the first thing we have to collect the data, write the context, and then analyze it.
What are limitations of multimodal?
What?
Limitations.
Limitations. So, like I said before, it takes so much times, and then it just focus on one's perspective. So everyone has their own perspective, right? So we can know, we cannot stuck on one's idea because it's just the perspective by one person. So. So yeah, it's subjective, and then it takes so much time, and then yeah, I think I just remember the two things. I'm sorry.
Like there is two types of newspapers, the printed one and the online one. And also you buy a book. Can you explain about
And the printed ones, uh, they're using the big pictures and then the headlines to tell people about what is happening. But in online news, they have to put one short sentences to tell people what is happening. So we cannot just one big pictures because people can get confusing by that news. So. Yes. Do you guys get affected by the flood? No. No. Thank you, guys. Hello, everyone. Why you guys said there's a gap between us?
Okay, done? Fine. Go.
Hi guys, my name is Shaflina Rosa and today I'm the presenter. Please ask me a question about topic 14. You first.
Could you explain how to do a multimodal?
Okay, the first thing we have to collect the data and then we have to write the context. So probably we can you underline this is important and this is not, and then after that we can analyze. You do the analyze, but it takes so much time. So the first thing we have to collect the data, write the context, and then analyze it.
What is MBA?
So MDA is about how text use many things to create a meaning, to create one meaning. So it's not just about the language, but also another component can create the meaning. Like for example, sounds, gestures, camera angles, pictures, and so on.
What about the limitation of
Or the limitations. The first thing, like I said before, it takes so much time, and then it just focus on one perspective. Like we know, everyone has their own perspective, right? So we cannot just focus on one idea. So yeah, it's kind of yes, like this. Okay, thank you.
Multimodal and television.
In films. So in multimodality in films, they are using many components to tell people about the stories. So first thing, they using lightings, gestures, camera angles, sounds to probably they put the set song to for the represents how the actor feels, and then the camera angles, and then another things. It's it has their own meaning. What? Newspaper. So in newspaper, there are two types actually. The first thing is about the printed ones, and then the online ones. In the printed ones, they're using big pictures to attract readers to read about the headlines. While in the online news, they are using picture also, but they have to put one short sentences so that people can get interested in the news and then press the link to continue the readings. Okay.
Could you explain about
Multimodality and genre. Different genre using different multimodality. Like probably we can take one example in magazines. In magazine, they are using big pictures and also using the colorful to attract people to read the magazines. While in ATM, it's also using pictures, but write the instructions to guide people how to send the money and how to put the money and so on. So, the relationship.
the modes, like so the modes are
Oh,
Your interpretation just
the mood ship.
Because
Yes. So the relationship. So the component, like I said before, it's um yes, it's moods and to create the meaning. So the every little thing has their own roles to create the meaning. Okay.
Just additional question.
That's the key.
that you need to provide some kind of context. Why is data very statement? Then you need to choose what reality that you want to analyze. Do you like to do words, images, sound, or gesture in your analytic material?
Do you guys get affected by the flood? No.
How about
No.
some
Gathering data, reading the data, choosing the data,
some other
editing the that's what.
Yes, but gratefully, I'm not. No. By near by the gates.
You provide so little context because doing also in course
Yes. But it's
was only images listeners, your reader, someone who's speaking to, they would not have the technology as we because you only providing so much technology that you are the other reader.
they're safe.
When that you need to provide that context
No.
that you understand.
My family
You understand meaning, the word,
environments, they are safe.
whether you understand something. You will go, you will be able to communicate that nothing is that wavelength. So it's important to add more context to make the reader understand more.
Okay. Okay, present it and stop.
Thank you guys.